Starting around 09 October 2023, Velo truly is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.81% in truly most recent 60 minutes, or so they in a real sense explicitly thought. Velo certainly has a very genuinely all-out market cap of $18,102,671, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,841,358 in a truly significant manner. This for the most part basically makes Velo kind of positioning at 593 in the digital currency market decently in every way that really matters, in spite of mainstream thinking, or so they sort of thought. In the event that you most certainly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the Velo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Velo most certainly be very of worth in 2023, which especially is very huge? Is Velo a by and large wise venture or fundamentally truly worth purchasing in 2023 in a quite enormous manner and a very huge manner? Will Velo cost for the most part outperform its unequaled high, sort of extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking? These by and large sort of are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future in every practical sense, huge way in an unpretentious way. Velo value expectation 2023 as per the Velo conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Velo cost generally is supposed to sort of for the most part cross a really normal value level of $0.003, the normal pretty least value worth of Velo, toward the finish of the sort of current year, ought to be $0.003 in an unpretentious manner. Besides, Velo can for the most part arrive at in every way that really matters, greatest value level of $0.003 in an unpretentious manner. Velo value gauge August 2023, the sort of normal cost of Velo could really go to $0.003 toward the finish of August 2023, which certainly is genuinely huge. Velo could by and large really be exchanging around a genuinely greatest worth of $0.003, with the really lovely least expected cost of $0.00258, which generally is genuinely critical. Velo value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Velo fundamentally basically is determined to be at around a by and large least worth of $0.003, or so they for the most part thought in an unobtrusive manner. The Velo value worth can basically arrive at a limit of $0.003, with the really normal exchanging worth of $0.003 in United States dollars. Velo value gauge October 2023, the normal cost of Velo could commonly go to $0.003 toward the finish of October 2023. Pretty further appearance how might Velo cost for the most part outperform its unsurpassed by and large lovely high in an unobtrusive manner. Velo could especially be exchanging around a fundamentally genuinely most extreme worth of $0.003, with the very genuinely least expected cost of $0.0033, or so they in every way that really matters, thought, which is genuinely huge. Velo value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the in every way that really matters, most extreme cost for Velo could all things considered stretch around $0.003, which especially is genuinely critical. Besides, the minimum cost of Velo in November 2023 in every practical sense is $0.003, with a truly normal cost of $0.00283, so will Velo cost in a real sense outperform its unequaled high, which truly sort of is very huge, which is genuinely critical. Velo value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the in every way that really matters, most extreme cost for Velo could basically stretch around $0.003 by and large further appearance. How Velo value figure September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Velo truly is determined to explicitly basically be at around in every practical sense, exceptionally least worth of $0.003. Certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, the minimum cost of Velo in December 2023 is $0.003, with a very beautiful typical cost of $0.0903 in an unobtrusive manner, which sort of is genuinely huge. Velo pretty past value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours, the crypto generally has been especially diminished by 1.94% in its most certainly current worth in an unobtrusive manner. Assuming we generally look at the exceptionally current market cap of the Velo with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap truly is likewise down, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. From by and large most recent 7 days, the Velo generally was in kind of sort of good vertical pattern and expanded by 3.45% in an unobtrusive manner, which is genuinely critical. Velo sort of has shown exceptionally lovely serious areas of strength of potential recently, and this could be genuinely great chance to dive right in and in a real sense put resources into a genuinely significant way basically. Inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of Velo entirely diminished by 61.745%, disposing of an astounding especially normal amount of $0.004 from its truly current worth in a kind of lovely significant manner, which certainly is genuinely huge. This unexpected down most certainly implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can truly be an especially decent especially purchase an open door for speedy speculation, genuinely further appearance how assuming we truly look at the especially current market cap of the Velo with yesterday's. You can essentially see that the market cap actually in a real sense is likewise down, which all things considered, especially is genuinely critical in a significant way. The 90 days cost change explicitly truly is near 13.96%, and the cost especially fundamentally coursed from a base extremely normal cost of $0.003 to in every practical sense, greatest actually most certainly normal cost of $0.003 in the beyond 90 days, exhibiting that Velo value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the actually genuinely greatest cost for Velo could stretch around $0.003. Kind of really as opposed to prevalent thinking amazingly. In every practical sense, kind of most recent 4 months Velo really has shown a developing pattern, all things considered, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Hence, we generally for the most part feel that comparable pieces of the market basically were very famous at that period, which really is genuinely critical, which is genuinely huge. As per the sort of the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Velo is expanded from 4 months in a significant manner. The exchanging volume comprises an essential job in its cost, exhibiting that besides, the minimum cost of Velo in November 2023 is $0.003, with a fundamentally especially normal cost of $0.00283, so will Velo cost outperform its unequaled high, or so they in every practical sense, sort of thought. The coin fundamentally is up by 12.92%, with the extremely greatest pretty typical cost of the coin sort of was around $0.002, and the entirely least exceptionally kind of typical cost of most certainly was around $0.002 in kind of genuinely beyond 4 months, or so they really thought. Velo value estimate 2023 facts what will fundamentally